Step 6. Brand applications. This is the production-ready output. 6 tabs of assets. Logo variations. Full color, monochrome, reverse, brand color, plus vertical layout and icon only. Every variation shown on light and dark backgrounds, and on brand colors. PNG and SVG for each. 9 brand mockups. Business card, website, social media, app screen, storefront, packaging, email, stationery, and merchandise. All generated with the brand's patterns, icons, and photography direction. Design tokens. Every color, font, and transition as copy-paste code. CSS Variables, Tailwind, or JSON. Pick your format. 12 branded UI components. Buttons, toggles, tooltips, notifications, ratings. Each one with React code, CSS, variants, and micro interactions. Ready to drop into a codebase. Social media assets. 4 unique platform covers, profile picture, article banners, and story templates. Favicons. 20 files. Browser, mobile, PWA maskable, Microsoft Tile, and Legacy ISO. Light and dark mode, with an implementation guide. Download everything as a single package, or regenerate the BrandLook PDF report. That's BrandLook. 6 steps, from visual strategy to a complete production-ready design system. Logo, colors, typography, patterns, icons, photography, illustrations, mockups, design tokens, UI components, social media assets, and favicons. Every asset generated from the brand foundation, every file downloadable.